Hey guys, hi fam, how you guys doing? My name is Madhani Karaoke. For those who are new here, karibu sana, welcome back to my channel. Subscribe down below so that you get notified every time that I post a video, and also turn on your post notifications. I know this video is kind of later than expected. I was to post a couple of days ago, but your girl has been sick, like in and out, as you can tell. But I don't know if you can tell by my voice, but I have been sick, but I am now fine. I am okay, I'm doing great. So as you can see by the title of today's video, we'll be making some boiled eggs, but with a twist. You know, we made some eggs a couple of days ago, and they were too much, and we were like, we can't throw the eggs, and you know, eggs, you can't boil them again. They kind of, it's a one-time thing, you know. So let me show you guys what to do with excess eggs, or you can also make it if you want to, simple and easy. So let's get into the video.